iHRMS from Indovision is an intelligent HR solution that is a combination of hardware and software resources designed to manage an organization's computerized and automated human resource processes using web and mobile-based applications.
Hello, welcome to Work from Home module of iHRMS. With this module, employees can keep track of their working hours and team leaders and admin can manage them easily. This here is an employee ID dashboard. To reach the Work from Home module, go to Attendance Management, Work from Home. It will open up as a new window in your browser. This is how it will look at the beginning of the workday. To record your work start time, click on the Start Work button. It will record the time when the work is started. Now you can just minimize this window and carry on with your work. And when you stop working or take a break, you should click the Stop Work button here. But before that, you have to enter some remark here. It is better to enter what you have done since this time. This will record the end time of your work session. Also calculate the working time between these two entries. Remark you entered and the status of this work session. Now when you start your work again, you should click the Start Work button. It takes the current time. A thing to keep in mind here is that you should not close this window, otherwise it will not record your end time of the working session. Let me show you that. If we close this window and now again go on work from home, see the end time is not recorded for the second work session. It's just the same as the start time, and as working hour time is all zeros. There are no remarks and the status also says auto stop. It means the employer didn't click on the stop work button, but either this module window is closed or the browser or your laptop stopped working. So this auto stop condition of closing this browser window, the entire browser or the laptop must be avoided because it can't record the time. And even if you lose your Wi-Fi or internet connection when your work session is ongoing, it will have no effect on working time calculation. Just keep this window open and minimized. Now to show about end day button. At the end of the day, you should write your remarks here. It is better to enter what you had done the entire day in the end day remark. Today's working day is now closed. You don't get to see any buttons here now. And this is the last working session with status of end day. The remark we have entered in the last working session will save as the additional task in the timesheet of the same date. Let's see that. Close this window. Time management. Timesheet. Today is 10th April. Here it is as additional task. KRA is not submitted for this employee, but even if it had, the end day remark will only go in additional task. And as you are working from home, the system will automatically apply a leave for this date and the end day remark as reason for leave. Now let's check that in employee leaves. Here it is for the right date, time, and in the leave reason we have the end day remark. Leave type is selected as business trip by system itself. This below entry also came from WFH module. Now the working hours saved in the work from home module of employee can be viewed from team leaders and admin IDs. So let's go to ID of this employee's manager. Here it is, the ID of manager of a previous employee. Now in the attendance management, work from home, go in my team, and here is the entry that we just made with all the right time and total working hours of 21 minutes. status of end day, and to see the details, click on this eye icon. It will show the work log of the employee for that date. To return, click on close page. See, the status for other employees is not working from home. It means they haven't started their work from the work from home module. A manager can also select the past dates from here or with this calendar. This is the team status of yesterday. Now see, for these two employees, the status is showing work stop. It means they haven't clicked on end day button but just stopped working by clicking on stop work button. Let's check their details. When the status is work stop, then the remark added before it will not save as additional task in timesheet, nor will the system automatically apply their leave for that date. So at the end of the day, employees should always use the end day button. Now let's check this same module from the superadmin ID. This is the superadmin ID dashboard, and in attendance management, work from home, first select company, date and submit. Date can be changed from here with this calendar view. Superadmin has access to see the work log of all the employees. The table have employee information, their employment status, their work start time and end time for this date, total working hours, details and status for that date. Only one good entry here because this is a testing portal. To view their details, click on this icon. We got the same list as we saw in employee and manager ID. To close this page, now let's check the settings of work from home module. These settings are only available for superadmin ID. First select company, submit. Here we can define what number of minimum hours work will be taken for half day or full day. To edit these hours, click on this pencil icon. Change the values from here and click on submit. Data successfully updated. Here it is. To define these hours for a new company, click on add new. Select company. Half day working hours. Full day working hours. It means an employee has to work for minimum this number of hours, and then it will be considered a full day work. A remark and submit. Now if you want to check it, here it is. That's all about work from home module of IHRMS. Thank you for watching.